If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right of the video.
Nestled on the banks of the Rhine-Meuse-Scheldt Delta, where mighty European rivers meet the vast expanse of the North Sea, lies a marvel of human engineering. This is the port of Rotterdam. It's not merely a harbor, it's a sprawling city of still water, ceaseless motion. Stretching over 42 kilometers, it's the largest and most significant seaport in all of Europe. Its sheer scale is kinda difficult to comprehend, honestly. A complex network of basins, canals, terminals that have been meticulously developed over centuries. This strategic location has allowed it to become the primary entry point for goods arriving from every corner of our planet. Destined for the bustling markets of an entire continent, the port's physical size is truly colossal. It covers an area of more than 12,500 hectares, a space equivalent to thousands of football pitches laid side by side. Within this immense territory, you'll find a world dedicated entirely to maritime trade. The importance of the Port of Rotterdam extends far beyond the borders of the Netherlands. It serves as the primary logistical hub for a vast and populous hinterland. Germany's industrial heartland, France, Belgium, Switzerland, Austria. A sophisticated network of transport links radiates from the port, like arteries carrying lifeblood to the body of Europe. Barges navigate the Rhine, barges navigate the Meuse, trucks travel along an efficient motorway network, freight trains depart on dedicated rail lines, all carrying cargo deep into the continent. This seamless connectivity is the key to its success. For the global economy, Rotterdam is an essential node. It's a critical link connecting manufacturing centers of Asia and the consumer markets of Europe. Many goods we use every day, electronic devices and clothing, have likely passed through this port. Its efficiency and capacity impact cost and availability for hundreds of millions. When operations run smoothly, trade flows steadily and reliably. Any disruption can send ripples across the globe. Furthermore, the port acts as a major transshipment hub, not just a gateway, but the very heart of the region's logistical network. A breathtaking variety of goods moves through the Port of Rotterdam every single day. The cargo can be broadly categorized into several main types, each handled with specialized equipment and expertise. One of the most visible and significant categories is containerized cargo. These standardized steel boxes carrying everything from toys, televisions, car parts, frozen foods, have revolutionized global trade. They allow for the efficient and secure transport of a vast array of products. Towering gantry cranes moving with surprising grace and precision lift these containers from the decks of massive ships, containers being placed onto trucks or trains in a highly choreographed and often automated sequence. Another major category is liquid bulk, crude oil, petroleum products, chemicals, vegetable oils. This type of cargo is transported in enormous tankers and stored in vast tank farms. The process of loading and unloading is a delicate operation, managed through an extensive network of pipelines and powerful pumps. Dry bulk cargo forms the third pillar of the port's operations. Iron ore, coal grains, animal feed. Finally, the port handles a significant amount of what is known as break bulk and roll-on/roll-off cargo.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right of the video.
As we look towards the future, the Port of Rotterdam is not only focused on size efficiency, but is also becoming a pioneer in sustainability technological innovation. It understands that the future of global trade must be a greener one. A significant effort is underway to reduce the port's environmental footprint and transition towards renewable energy sources. One of the most ambitious projects involves the development of a large-scale green hydrogen network. The plan is to use electricity generated by offshore wind farms in the North Sea to produce hydrogen, a clean fuel that can power ships, trucks, industrial processes, replacing fossil fuels and dramatically cutting carbon emissions. Automation is another area where the port is at the cutting edge. Many of the container terminals are now almost fully automated, operating with precision, operating with efficiency beyond human labor. Autonomous guided vehicles, or AGVs, silently transport containers between the quay and the storage yard. It allows the port to operate 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, ensuring a continuous and rapid flow of goods without interruption. It's a glimpse into the future of logistics. The port is also actively encouraging the shipping industry to adopt cleaner practices, leading the maritime industry by example and driving positive change on a global scale. The economic impact of the Port of Rotterdam is immense. Extending far beyond the port itself, it is a powerful engine for job creation. indirectly supporting hundreds of thousands of jobs across the Netherlands and Europe. The port's activities generate substantial economic value, contributing significantly to the national income of the Netherlands. It acts as a magnet for investment, attracting companies from around the world. However, the future is not without its challenges. The port must navigate the complex transition to a sustainable, carbon-neutral future. This requires massive investments in new infrastructure, hydrogen network, shore power facilities. It also involves encouraging a global shipping industry slow to change. Cleaner fuels, technologies, geopolitical instability, disruptions to global trade routes, ongoing risks requiring careful management and strategic planning. The port must remain agile and resilient to adapt to a constantly changing global landscape. At the same time, these challenges present remarkable opportunities. By leading the energy transition, become the world's premier hub, renewable fuels, circular industries, a center of excellence for sustainable port development, exporting its knowledge and technology to other ports around the globe, the ongoing digitalization of trade, efficiency, security, transparency, creating new services, new business models. In conclusion, the Port of Rotterdam is more than a geographical location. It is a dynamic and evolving ecosystem, a testament to human ingenuity, a vital component of our modern, interconnected world. From its strategic position on the North Sea, it moves the goods that sustain our economies and shape our daily lives. As it confronts 21st century challenges, climate change, digitalization, it continues to innovate and adapt. The journey of the Port of Rotterdam is far from over. It will continue to navigate the tides of change, striving to be not only the biggest, but also the smartest and the most sustainable gateway to the world.
If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom right of the video.